Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello gardeners! In this video, I will explain how to plant green beans in your garden. First, select a sunny spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure your soil drains well, as soggy conditions can harm your plants. Enrich the soil with about 2 to 3 inches of compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients. Finally, choose between bush beans, which grow compactly, or pole beans, which require support but yield longer. Now, let's get those seeds in the ground. Plant your green bean seeds about 1 inch deep. For bush beans, space individual seeds 3 to 6 inches apart in rows that are 18 to 24 inches apart. If you are planting pole beans, place them 4 to 6 inches apart around a sturdy support structure like a trellis or teepee. This support is crucial for their climbing habit and will help maximize your harvest later on. Proper watering is key to a bountiful green bean harvest. Water your plants consistently, especially when they are flowering and developing pods. They generally need about 1 inch of water per week, so adjust your watering schedule based on rainfall. Mulching around the plants can help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Regularly remove any weeds that appear, as they compete with your beans for water and nutrients, hindering growth. The exciting part, harvesting. Bush beans are typically ready for harvest in about 50 to 60 days after planting. Pole beans take a bit longer, usually 60 to 70 days. Pick the pods when they are firm, tender, and snap easily, generally 4 to 6 inches long. Avoid letting them get too large, as they can become tough. Harvesting every 2 to 3 days encourages the plant to produce more beans, extending your harvest season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.